ready to transform your Wix product pages into irresistible sales magnets. First, access the Wix Editor and navigate to the specific product page you want to optimize. Click on the product element, which will reveal editing options. Let's start with visuals. Replace the default image with high-quality, professional photos that showcase your product from multiple angles. Aim for clear, well-lit shots that highlight key features. Add a variety of images to the product gallery to give customers a comprehensive view. You can drag and drop images to reorder them for the best presentation. Now, let's craft compelling descriptions. Ditch the generic manufacturer's blurb and write engaging, benefit-driven copy. Focus on how the product solves a problem or enhances the customer's life. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits for easy readability. Break up large blocks of text with headings and subheadings. Consider adding a call to action, like learn more or shop now. Customer reviews are gold. In your product page settings, make sure to enable the option for customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Encourage your customers to leave reviews by sending follow-up emails after purchase. Respond to both positive and negative reviews promptly and professionally. This shows you value customer feedback. Finally, pay attention to design consistency. Use your brand colors and fonts to create a cohesive look and feel. Ensure that your call to action buttons are visually prominent. By optimizing your product images, crafting compelling descriptions, and leveraging customer reviews, you can transform your Wix product pages into powerful conversion tools and watch your sales soar.